Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is September 30th, 2021, and we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin in the market? Where might it be going in the short to near future? I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents, but before I do so, if you guys could do me a huge favor, hold on, actually, do me a huge favor. I'm having a personal moment with you guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be very honest. I'm trying to grow this channel here on YouTube. The only way I can do that is with your guys' support. If you guys could, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I would be so appreciative of it that I actually have a giveaway happening where I'm giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we do hit 1,000 subs here on YouTube. So again, help me grow this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And you could win a 50-inch flat screen TV just for doing so. Go ahead. Touch it right down there. Takes like 2 seconds. Go, just like the video, subscribe to the channel. Boom. You're done. All right, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. And as always, we are using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool. The first thing I want to point out to you guys is we are trying to make a run and get up out of this dead zone. This dead zone, or transparent box that I have on my chart, is just a representation of this big gaping section on the VPVR wall, which I've been calling the dead zone. We are currently trying to make a move back to the top section of the dead zone. In order for us to remain bullish, like I've been saying in my past videos, we need to close on a daily candle, $44,000, preferably $45,000 for Bitcoin's price action to remain bullish. If we can accomplish that goal, I would like to see Bitcoin's price action start making slow, steady movements to the upside, kind of like a stair-stepping movement to the upside, because I do believe that a stair-stepping move to the upside would be a lot more sustainable, a lot more maintainable, a lot more realistic, and a lot more healthy for Bitcoin's price going forward. I don't really want to see a big explosive movement to the upside, because with every pump, there's a dump, and with every dump, there's a pump. So if we have a really big explosive move to the upside, that would probably bring at least halfway decent dump to the downside, and that wouldn't show that much strength coming from the bulls. That would show the bears that we're not in complete control of Bitcoin's price action. So to show the bears that we're in control of Bitcoin's price action, I would like to see a stair-stepping movement, kind of like this, to the upside going forward. Now, that's not really how it plays out, but in general, that's what I would like to see, just slow and steady growth to the upside. For us to avoid being bearish, we just need to stop coming down here and testing this level of support. This current level of support that's been holding up is currently about $40,000 to $41,000 for Bitcoin's price. If we come down here yet again, the likelihood of us breaking down gets higher and higher, guys. I'm not trying to be an ultra bear. I'm just being very unbiased when I make these videos. The one thing that's kind of concerning me right now is these three reversal signals that I'm showing on Market Cipher A, which is these three triangle signals. Right now, these are showing us that Bitcoin's current price action might get reversed back down to the downside. The reason why I'm saying back down to the downside and not just reversing this whole downward motion that we've been seeing is because recently that's what it's been doing when it shows us these reversal signals. It shows us that the current price action to the upside is getting reversed back down. So we saw a pump, we got dumped, we saw a pump, we got dumped. Right now we saw a pump. Do we get reversed back down and see a dump? All I can say is previously, that's what's been happening. So maybe not front run anything. I'm not giving you financial advice. Just be aware that previously, that's what's been happening. I hope that this actually gets negated and we actually do cover above this current death zone and do close $44,000 in the next 2 days. Because like I said, if we can do that, if we can accomplish $44,000 to $45,000 on a daily close, that would keep us bullish. And then maybe we could capitalize on the momentum to the upside and start making that slow and steady move to the upside. But that's what I'm seeing right now for Bitcoin's price, guys. I know a lot of people are insanely bullish. A lot of people are, kind of on the fence as well. This is kind of like a wishy-washy moment in Bitcoin's charts. So again, all the best advice I can give you is, maybe be a little conservative if you're taking positions, tight stop losses, because right now anything can happen, guys. It's the end of the month. Stock to flow has been calling 43,000 for the end of this month. It's just kind of crazy that we're sitting right at $43,000. If we do close $43,000 today and don't slip in the next 48 hours back down, I do think that we might actually see higher price points in the later part of this cycle. But again, I'm not really in the mood of speculating what might happen in the later part of this cycle until we actually just accomplish what we need to accomplish right now. So again, in order for us to do what we need to do, we need to accomplish getting above $44,000 to $45,000. In order for us to avoid being bearish, we just need to avoid closing $40,000 to $41,000. Again, just letting you guys know my ultra concerns is if we come back down here, test it again, we're going to be testing it for a 5th time. That's not good. And if we don't hold this level of support and we slip down even further, we could slide all the way down to $33,000 because that's the big level of support that's up next after this bigger gaping section on the VPPR wall that we have on the chart. So again, just kind of want to point things out to you guys. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. If you guys could, like I said, please help me out. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't overextend. Stay in profits. Invest well, my friends. Peace.